Okay, so we're doing a Woodgrain PVC glass install. We got the 1/2. The paint never sticks to this rubber gasket very well, so I just cut it off and I re-glaze it. 3/8 wide by a 1/16 inch thick. I got the glass out and I just cleaned it, and now I'm just going to caulk the corners. Windex it. When I Windex it too, I try to pull this caulking back into the corner so you don't get squeezed out. This glass has bevels in it, and the bevels always go towards the outside. You can tell, might be hard to tell with the camera, but if I flip this up and you kind of shoot it down, you can kind of see that the bevels are facing this way. And sometimes it has a sticker on it saying bevel face, whatever. Bevel face to the outside, this is our outside glass frame. Set that on there. There's slight movement, about an 8, so I'm just going to center it. About a 16 on either side. This is pretty tight down here, so I'm going to say that that's good. Making sure that this looks straight while I do it. So now, based on this design, this is our top. We can double check with the book. Sorry, I know it's not great for video purposes. So this is our top. We're gonna put this up towards the top of the table. Flip that around. This rubber gasket, it works fine. The only reason why we changed the outside one is you can see it and maybe see this here. So we're just going to set the panel right on that. I would set the panel down first just to double check swing and stuff. So what I'm looking at here is it's a right hand in swing. So I'm standing on the outside of the door. Hinges should be on the right side. And the knuckles of the hinges facing towards the inside. So we're good. So this side's going to go down. Just going to measure underneath to make sure everything's the same all the way around. Am I butting it against the glass frame?
Did you clean the tip?
Oh yeah, I gotta say that. Thanks for reminding. All right, remember, kids, always clean your tip. All right. I'm gonna pull all tape all the way off. There are a few flat bottom ones over there, and they will work. They just don't bite as quickly. Maybe we'll check this. So these are about 2 inches. I mean, it's kind of a weird double check, but you can do this among all aspects of shop life. Is like you can double check the depth to make sure that you're not going to go all the way through too. It's not a bad thing. I'm just kind of eyeballing the top of the screw head up with this glass frame, making sure that it's not going to go. These are all Phillips head. So now we're just going to start. And I'm driving them in just under flush with this frame here. I'll show you. Caps back in and that's done.